Now we set the tool length by the tool sensor. Automatic tool height by this one.
你需要对哪一个走？就把光标移动到哪个上？
Here are 10 tools. You can select which one you want to set.
移动上之后，
For
选择一
example,
下。
for example, we set the tool from 7 to 9,
我们现在对6、7吧。
6 to 8, 6, 7, and 8.
现在移动到6上来，点一下子，确定一下，就选中了。前面黑的时候选中了。
Move to the 6 and enter. It means selected the tool 8.
6、7、8，对了3个。
一会儿选3个。
啊，对3个嘛。
啊。
到就换到对。
Now we selected 3 tools.
对完之后，选完之后这里都不能按吧？
You can here all cannot select.
在自动模式下才能可以。
So we have to click the automatic. Then we can select the model. This is start guiding. The tool will touch the tool sensor 3 times. Now the tool 6, the number 6 is already set. Now going to the number 7. Now the three tools already be finished.
我现在就对了3个刀。
Because we only put on 3 tools.